onions, and some garlic. This pumpkin plant, or these pumpkin plants that decided to grow where I threw out the pumpkins last year by the chickens, it's massive. There's our rooster, and there's that pumpkin plant, and there's a couple over there, and then that one there. Hey, Bullet. Some more tomato plants that we planted basically for the chickens, because they were growing. I put seeds down and we had a bunch, so the random potatoes that slid through in some dirt just because we had them, they're going crazy. I painted my buzzard the other day because it was 2 years old. It needed a paint job. My elderberry bushes are starting to have the beginnings of elderberries on them. You can see them up there. Just all along there, looks like we're going to have quite a few berries, so that's good. That's what I was hoping for. My cilantro going to seed. That's an update of our garden. Hey, big man. You gonna crow? That's somebody back there laying an egg. Come on, big man. Just chilling.